Good morning, Facebook. I am Craig Christian with Hoover Buildings, and today kicks off the official Real Men Wear Pink campaign for breast cancer awareness. Every day during the month of October, I will be wearing something pink in memory, honor, celebration, and support of those affected by breast cancer. Today, I wear pink in memory of Bonnie Hoover Cease. You can donate at the link attached to this video at our office here in Lexington, South Carolina, or you can reach out to me and I'll be glad to meet with you. Your donation is tax deductible and goes to funding early detection and treatment, research, patient support, and prevention education. Did you know that the American Cancer Society provides free rides to and from treatments? That's pretty awesome. If you have someone near and dear to you that you would like for me to wear pink in memory, honor, celebration, or support of, please friend me and send me a message. Thank you for your support. See you tomorrow.